because I am a paleo veterinarian so committed to my look that I still decided to go with shorts today, even though it's like 50 degrees outside, and about 50 degrees in here as well. Hello out there, everybody. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Hello, Captain America. Good to meet you. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Jurassic Park, and welcome to the Central Nursery here on Isla Aventura, the third island with dinosaurs on it, if you're keeping count. Isla Nublar and Isla Sorna being the first two. Of course, Jurassic Park operations that we never opened to the public, unfortunately, due to several zoning issues. But here on Isla Aventura, our very first operational Jurassic Park, and you are looking at Jurassic Park's only public hatchery, the nursery here on our beautiful island, where you can kind of get a window, quite literally, into what we do here as Jurassic Park geneticists. So hello, I'm Dr. Daxon. I'm one of the paleo veterinarians on call today, part of the genetics division here at the Discovery Center, where we are constantly engineering and hatching new dinosaurs. And we've just been alerted to an IHE, which stands for Imminent Hatching Event. And that means we are about to welcome a brand new dinosaur into JP, which stands for Jurassic Park. Now, if we take a look right here, you're taking a very close look at the specimen right in the middle. This is specimen 12V1. It's her current designation right now. As you can see, she's got a lot of significant eggshell separation. So right now we're listening for any sort of cracking, any sort of vocalizations from this dinosaur, because you are about to see something that has not happened naturally since the Cretaceous period. And it's happening right now. I'm seeing some movement. We're shedding some shells. Come on, little one, push. Push. Come on. And there you have it, folks and friends. How about a round of applause for Jurassic Park's newest resident, a beautiful baby dinosaur. Wonderful. Now, get a little closer. Don't worry, this is dinosaur-proof glass. Now, we do want to make sure we catalog all these eggshell pieces. We don't want her to eat any of them. Now, does anyone want to take a guess as to what kind of dinosaur you're looking at right now? Any ideas? Go for it. T-Rex is a very good guess. She's part of the same dinosaur grouping as the Tyrannosaurus, a group of dinosaurs called theropods, but she's part of the Dromaeosaur family. She has a really cool toe claw on her inner toe here, and that should be a pretty good giveaway as to what kind of dinosaur she might be, because she is one of the more popular animals here at the park. We got a whole roller coaster named after her. Anyone want to take another guess? Velociraptor. Yeah, you're so right. She's a Velociraptor. Our brand new baby Velociraptor. Hi, little one. Look up here. Good girl. I'm going to pick her up and show her off to you guys. Now, Velociraptors are pretty abundant here in our parks. They're pack hunters, so whenever you see one Velociraptor, you can be sure that there's about 4 to 11 other Velociraptors that you might not see. These animals love to hunt in packs. We raise them together. They learn from each other. It makes them a lot easier to handle out there in the park when you raise a raptor in a brood as opposed to raising a raptor in isolation. Very communicative and social animals. Now, Velociraptors here in our parks grow pretty quickly, about 6 to 9 feet long in just about 1 year's time. And about a year from today, she'll amass about 500 pounds of that apex predator muscle. And she'll be capable of propelling herself at 65 miles an hour if we give her enough room to run around there on land, which I'm very grateful for our Velocicoaster. It gives these animals a lot of room to stretch their legs out there. Well, they only run about 5 miles an hour less than that Velocicoaster goes. So, you know, we give you a little bit of a lead out there on the animal, right? Now, raptors are part of the theropod family of dinosaurs. Same family of dinosaurs, Utah raptor, Deinonychus, Atrociraptor, Pyroraptor. A lot of raptors in that family of dinosaurs. That's the family of dinosaurs most closely related to the modern day birds. So they almost have way more in common with birds than they do with reptiles and amphibians. They're very similar skeletal structure. They look at similar nesting patterns. Some of them even form collections of like twigs and rocks out there in the park. Pretty similar to crows, other animals out there. Now, she looks really healthy to me. She looks like she's off to a great start. Fully formed, got all of her teeth, got all of her claws, but she is missing something very important. She's missing a name. Oh, you gotta call her something, right? And here at Jurassic Park, it's become tradition for all of our dinosaurs to be named by our guests.
Smiley!
Yeah, that's you guys out here. So does anyone out here want to volunteer to name this baby velociraptor? Me and my friend here has been chilling out for a while. I do mean chilling quite literally. It's a little chilly out there. So what do you think we should call her? Viva? I love it, folks. Have a round of applause for Viva the Velociraptor. Our brand new addition to the park and our newest raptor in the pack. Well, congratulations, my friend. You just named the dinosaur. You know what you get for that? A stack of paperwork. I'm talking this deep. Non-disclosure agreements, licensing rights, trademark fees, it's a whole ordeal. Don't worry. Dr. Lindsay in the back has got some newborn paperwork we need you to look over, okay? So don't leave without checking in with her, okay? Now, before we go, if you have any questions about these animals, if you have any pictures you'd like to take with this baby velociraptor, I can hold her over your head. It'll be a cute little photo. But for all intents and purposes, folks, the floor is now yours. I hope you all have a wonderful time out there on the island today. Enjoy the rest of your vacation, and thanks for coming by to see just how life finds a way at Jurassic Park. Beautiful. Now, she's got a long day ahead of her. We're going to take her downstairs, get her cleaned up. We're going to get her out of this amniotic membrane here. Yeah, that's egg yolk right there. But it's gotten a lot more thick as she